Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7. In the previous video we have discussed about subtraction of rational number, and now today I am going to discuss with you exercise 3C. Right, before starting I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box for daily attendance. So now come to the topic, exercise 3C, fourth numerical. In fourth numerical, what should be subtracted from minus 9 by 16 to get minus 5 by 12? What you have to subtract from minus 9 by 16 to get minus 5 by 12? So here let that number to be subtracted be x. Let the number be x. Then according to question, what will be the equation? Minus 9 by 16. From this number, what you have to subtract? So you will subtract x, right? Is equals to get what you will get, that is minus 5 by 12. Clear? Now you have to find out the value of x, and you know when you will transpose any rational number to other side, equals to other side, then sign will be changed. Clear? Any number when you will transpose to other side, then sign will be changed. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus, right? Multiply becomes divide and divide becomes multiply, right? So here this is minus 9 by 16. When you will transpose that side, what will come? This minus x remain minus x only, and when you will transpose this that side, it will be minus 5 by 12 plus 9 by 16. This minus becomes plus, right? Now you have to make denominator same. To solve any of fraction, you have to make denominator same if denominators are different. So here what will be the LCM? 12 and 16 LCM you have to take. So you can do by prime factorization method. Find LCM. 16 and 12's LCM will be first divided by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, again 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, then 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 remains same, then 2, 1 and 3, and then you have to divide it by 3. So LCM will be 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, and 24 when you will multiply it with 2, 48 will come, right? Now you have to make denominator as 48. So 12 4s are 48 and 4 should be multiplied with minus 5, right? 16 3s are 48 and 3 should be multiplied with 9. So what will come? Minus 5 4s are 20, minus 20 plus 27. 9 3s are 27 upon 48, right? Minus x value will be minus 20 plus 27 by 48. Now solve minus 20 plus 27. Different sign, then operation will be subtraction. When you will subtract 27 minus 20, what will come? 7, right? And upon 48. But here you can see 27 is greater than minus 27 is greater than 20, so sign will be positive. That means minus x value is coming as 7 by 48, right? But we have to find out the number x, not minus x. So here you have to remove minus x. So how can you remove minus x? This minus sign you can transpose that side. Clear? And x is equals to minus 7 by 48 you can say, or to remove this minus sign, you have to multiply it with minus 1, both side. And when you will multiply it with minus 1, this becomes positive x, and this minus sign will come here. Minus 1 into 7 by 48 will be minus 7 by 48. Clear? This will be the answer. Right? That means minus 7 by 48, you have to subtract it from minus 9 by 16 to get minus 5 by 12. Clear? Now, fifth numerical, what should be added? Now here you have to add. What should be added to 19 by minus 31 to get 16 by 33? So first step will be, let that number be x. Let the number to be added be x, right? So according to question, what will be the equation here? What should be added to 19 by minus 31? So here you will write 19 by minus 31. What should be added? That means x should be added, right? When you will add x is equals to get, what you will get? 16 by 33, right? And then you have to find the value of x. Clear? Again, but before starting, here negative sign is in denominator. So first you have to convert into standard form by multiplying minus 1. So when you will multiply it with minus 1, with the numerator and denominator both, what will come? Minus 19 by 31, right? So minus 19 by 31, directly you can write. Clear? Plus x is equals to 16 by 33. Now transpose. When you will transpose minus 19 by 31 that side, then sign will reversed. Clear? Minus becomes plus. So 16 by 33 plus 19 by 31. Clear? Now you have to take LCM. LCM of 33 and 31. What will be the LCM? Here you have to multiply these two numbers. When you will multiply these two numbers, then 1023 will come. Clear? So that means you have to make denominator as 1023, right? So 33 into 31 is 1023. So what you have to multiply it with 33 to get 1023? That is 31, right? So 16, and that 31 you have to multiply it with 16. So 16 into 31 plus same 33 into 31 is 1023. So what should be multiplied with 31 to get 1023? That is 33, and that 33 you have to multiply it with 19, right? Clear? So when you will multiply 16 into 31, when you will do 16 into 31, 496 will come. 496 plus 33 into 19, when you will do 33 into 19, then 627 will come, right, upon 1023, right? Now add, when you will add these two, 496 plus 627, when you will add, then 1123 will come upon 1023, right? So here numerator is greater than the denominator, so you have to convert into mixed fraction. So when you will convert into mixed fraction, 1 whole 100 upon 1023 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now next is sum number 7. The sum of three rational numbers is 10. One of them is 4. First number is given 4. Other is, means second number is 2 by 3 less than 4. 2 by 3 less than 4 means 4 minus 2 by 3. This is the second number, right? Find the third number, and you have to find out the third number. So let third number be x, right? So let third number be x. First number is 4 and other number means second number is 4 minus 2 by 3. And these three numbers sum they are saying is 10. So according to question, what will be the equation? You can solve this second number here only. Just take LCM. LCM will be 3, right? 1 and 3's LCM is 3. So 1 3's are 3 and 3 should be multiplied with 4. So 3 4's are 12. 12 minus 2, right? 3 1's are 3 and 1 should be multiplied with 2. So 2 1's are 2. Clear? So it will come 10 by 3. So according to question, what will be the equation? That first number is 4 plus second number is 10 by 3 plus third number is x, which we have to find out. These three numbers sum, these three rational numbers sum is 10. Clear? And you have to find out the value of x. So first solve these two numbers here. So take LCM. Again there is no denominator, then you can write 1. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So 1 3's are 3 and 3 should be multiplied with 4. So 4 3's are 12 plus 3 1's are 3 and 1 should be multiplied with 10. So 10 into 1 is 10 plus x is 10, right? 12 plus 10 is 22 by 3 plus x is equals to 10, right? Now transpose this 22 by 3 that side, what will come? When you will transpose, this is positive. So when you will transpose that side, it will become negative, right? So plus x remains same here. 10 minus 22 by 3 will come. Clear? Now x is equals to, take LCM again. 1 and 3's LCM is 3. So 1 3's are 3 and 3 should be multiplied with 10. So 30 will come. 30 minus 22. 3 1's are 3 and 1 should be multiplied with 22. So 22 will come. So 30 minus 22 by 3. 30 minus 22 is 8 by 3. So that means that third number will be 8 by 3. But you will not leave your answer till here. You have to convert into mixed fraction. So 3 2's are 6. 2 by 3. So 2 whole 2 by 3 will be the answer. Clear? Now ninth numerical. Pankaj walked from his home 3 whole 4 by 5 kilometer to the east and then walked back towards west 1 whole 3 by 10 kilometers. How far is he from his home now? You know that type of numerical we have done in fraction also, fraction and decimal chapter also, right? So if east, west, north, south, right? So they are saying if Pankaj's home is here and he is moving first 3 whole 4 by 5 kilometer to the east. First he is moving to the east 3 whole 4 by 5 kilometer, that side, right? So this side 3 whole 4 by 5 kilometer, right? And then they are saying then walk back towards west. So west is that side, left hand side. So now from this point he is moving towards west. How much? 1 whole 3 by 10 kilometer, right? how far is he from his home now? His home is here and now he is in that point. So you have to find out his home and that point distance between. Clear? This distance between his home and he is now, that you have to find out, right? So how will you calculate? From whole distance from his home to 3 whole 4 by 5 kilometer to the east, when you will subtract 1 whole 3 by 10 kilometer to the west, this distance will come. Clear? So from whole distance you have to subtract this distance, this much. So this will remain left. Clear? So here distance remain, what it will be? So 3 whole 4 by 5 minus 1 whole 3 by 10. Clear? When you will solve, answer will come. So now solve. First convert into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19 by 5 kilometers. Minus 10, 1 whole 3 by 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 10 kilometer. Right? And now you have to make denominator same. Denominators LCM. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Clear? Now you have to make denominator as 10. 5 2s are 10 and 2 should be multiplied with 19. So what will come? 19 2s are 38. Right? Minus 10 1s are 10 and 1 should be multiplied with 13. So 13 1s are 13. Clear? Now 38 minus 13 is 25 by 10. Clear? 38 minus 13 is 25. So 25 by 10. Now you can cancel out, convert into simplest form first. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 5 by 2 will come. Clear? But don't leave your answer till here. Convert into mixed fraction. So 2 whole 1 upon 2 kilometers will be the answer. Right? Now I am giving you from exercise 3C question number 6, 8 and 10, in which that 10th numerical you have to do in your book only and 6th and 8th numerical you have to do in your classwork notebook. If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Clear? Okay, bye-bye.